Hello, Nikhil. What are you doing? Have you taken lunch? Yes, we have taken. Where are you, Nikhil? At home or at school? Yes, at home. Here it's raining. So collector declared a holiday for it for us. Collector declared it a holiday for us. It's raining. So we are at home. Yes. I took lunch. Have you taken water, Nikhil? Yes, we have taken. What's the use of water, Nikhil? Harsha, tell me, what are the uses of water? Yes, water helps us to digest our food. Then it helps us in washing. Water gives us rain. No? Water helps us to grow plants. Water gives us food to eat. Yes, you are correct, Nikhil. You said well. You're a good boy. Yes. Now it's raining, no, Nikhil? Why? Why is it raining? What's the cause of raining, Nikhil? ఎందుకు వస్తుంది వర్షం? What's the cause behind it? Yes, you're correct. It's condensation. That's because of condensation. No? What is condensation? Condensation అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? Water vapor. Water vapor went up into the air. Up in the air, it's very cool. No? It's cool today. That's why that water vapor changed into water. That's rain. Yes. So changing of water vapor into water is called condensation. So today's rain is because of condensation. Yes, Nikhil, you're correct. Why it's raining? ఎందుకు వస్తుంది వర్షం? What's the cause behind it? Yes, it's because of condensation of water. Yes. What's condensation? Change of water vapor into water is called condensation. So water helps us to digest, to grow plants. Yes, you are very correct. So totally what can we say? So water is our basic necessity. Water is a precious thing. What kind of thing, Nikhil? Yes, you said well. It's a precious thing. More precious than gold. If water is there, we can purchase gold, we can live and purchase and enjoy. If there is no water, no crops, no money, no gold. So water is more precious than gold. First water, then we get gold with water. Yes. Do we go for the next picture? Look at the picture, okay? See, how is the soil? Elagundamma soil? Yes, it's dry. So there are cracks in the soil. Why is it? Why is it so, Nikhil? ఎందుకలా ఉంది? That's because of no rains. That's because of no rains. That's why there are cracks in the soil. When soil is like this, can we grow plants? No, we can't. If the thing is like this for long, for 1 year or 2 years, then 3, 4, 5, like that. If the situation is like this, with no rains for long, such things happen. ఇలానే ఉంటుంది. If we don't get enough rains for 1 year, okay. If 3, 4, 5 like that, if there are no rains for long, soil will be like this. ఇలానే ఉంటుంది. Then we don't get crops. We don't get food. For cattle also, no fodder. We don't get even water to drink. అది కూడా ఉండదు. We have to travel long distances. to fetch water. Farmers, mostly our people are farmers. Correct? Their livelihood is agriculture. Agriculture supports them. If the thing is like this, how can they do agriculture, Nikhil? Ela chestaru? Yes, they can't. They can't grow plants, they can't get crop. That's why for jobs, they leave the place. They leave the place. That's called migration. They migrate to other places. That's all because of no rains. No? Yes. Such thing is called famine. What do we call it? Famine. Yes. In Telugu, what do we call it, Nikhil? Karu. Yes. When famine occurs, how will be the things? Elaguntai. Let us see. Look here. When there is famine, people won't get food to eat, don't get water to drink. See, how are the people? These are the people of Somalia, Nikhil. When famine occurs, people will turn like this. We go for the next picture. These are the people of Somalia now. Often famines occur in Somalia. Look at this picture. Yes, these are the people of our Bengal, West Bengal. In 1943, they occurred famine, Nana. See the man, how is he? Because of famine, no crop, no agriculture, no food, no water. If he gets only little, that's why he is like this. That's all because of famine. Do go for the next picture. Look here. Look at the boy. No food to eat. That's why he turned like this. He's a boy of Yemen. In Yemen also. Yemen is a country. Famines occur often in Yemen also. Look at the boy. Have you understood what is famine? Famine అంటే ఏంటో అర్థమైందన్నా? That's so. Water is very precious. We have to protect, we have to conserve our water. Water supports our life, Nana. If there is no water, our life will be, people's life will be like this. Yes. Do go for the next picture. Look here. So that's about a famine. If there are no rains, famines occur. If there are more rains, what will happen? Floods occur. No rains or lack of rains, famine. More rains means more and more and more rains. When we get floods. So floods, famines are natural hazards. Look at the picture. So flood is a natural hazard. Famine is a natural hazard. Look at the picture. See, that's because of large amount of water. Because of outpouring of rain. How is the river in here? The river is in flood. It is in flood. Came into people's places. How are the people you see? You go for the next picture. Look at this picture. Rainwater came into people's places, came into the towns, came into residences. Look at cars. How are they? Inundated, submerged. This excessive rain, this large amount of rain is flooding the streets, flooding cities, flooding villages. Inundating, munchestundi. Submerge. How is the place? Inundated. మునిగిపోయింది కదా. Yes. That's all because of floods. Floods means due to more rain, excessive rain. Look at the next picture. Look here. This is also because of flood. Look at the people. Look at their troubles. Streets are filled with water. River water came into the city. It's inundating cities, streets, people's homes. We call this a flood. When river is in flood, ఫ్లడ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు సిచ్యువేషన్ విల్ బి లైక్ దిస్, ఇలానే ఉంటుంది కదా. వెన్ వీ గెట్ ఎక్సెసివ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ రెయిన్, ఎక్కువ వర్షం వస్తే సిచ్యువేషన్ విల్ బి లైక్ దిస్. వాట్ డు వి కాల్ ఇట్? ఏమని పిలుస్తాము? వి కాల్ ఇట్ ఫ్లడ్. దెన్ వాట్ విల్ బి ద రిజల్ట్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద రిజల్ట్. ఓకే ఓకే, డూ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ పిక్చర్. సో వాట్ షుడ్ వి డూ? Either less rain or more rain is not good for us. So water is a natural resource. We have to conserve water. Water supports our life. We have to manage water. What's water management? We should not waste water. We have to use water judiciously. We have to use it well, not more, not wastefully. You have to use it judiciously. How much you need, that much only you do it. Don't waste water. Don't outpour it. Okay. See, how is the place, Nikhil? Look here. What is this? Our people are dumping their garbage into water bodies. What are water bodies? What are the bodies of water? Reservoir, canal, ponds, seas, tanks, etc. Our people dump waste like this into rivers. Then how is the thing? See? We should not dump waste into water. No, it's bad. It's bad management of water. That's not the right management of water. No, it spoils our water. It pollutes our water. It's bad. We'll go for the next picture. Look here. Here factories are dumping factory waste into river. It causes pollution. It causes diseases. So it is not the right management. It causes pollution, causes a cholera, diarrhea, like that. So we have to, what should we do? We have to purify water before sending them into rivers. Our people, we throw even dead bodies into rivers. We feel our dead people will go straight to heaven. Heaven keltarane. We throw dead bodies into Ganga river. That way we are polluting Ganga water. Ganga is a sacred river. Every river is a sacred river. We should not dump our garbage. We should not throw dead birds into rivers and this factory waste into rivers. They cause pollution. That's not the right management of water. Is it, Nikhil? Oh no? No. That's not the right management of water. It's bad. So we should not dump our factory waste into river. Before dumping, what should the management do? Owners, they should purify it. They should clean it. Then after they can do it. That's not the right way of water management. We'll go for the next picture. Look here. We farmers, because of uneducation, because of ignorance, తెలియనితనం వల్ల what are they doing? ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? They're using chemical fertilizers more. What are they using? They're using chemical fertilizers more. If we use more chemical fertilizers, what will happen? See, our spraying chemical fertilizers to kill pests, to kill insects, to save plants, they do this. For 1 year, 2 years, okay. Then if we do it 4 years, చాలా సంవత్సరాలు చేస్తే what will happen? Plants take that chemical. When we eat these plants, when we eat the fruits of these plants, when we eat the seeds of this plant or leaves of this plant, this chemical will go into our body. And to poison insects we are using, but now instead of poisoning the insects, they are poisoning our bodies. So it's not good. It's not the right way. We have to use, what should we use? Natural fertilizers, but not chemical fertilizers. So this is not the right way of water management. Yes. So we should reduce use of chemical fertilizers. That also causes pollution. If there is more pollution, if there are less rains, what will happen? We don't get rains. Do go for the next. Look here. This is a forest. How are the trees? People cut the trees off. They cut off trees. What for? For wood. No? What do we call it? Deforestation. What do we call it? Deforestation. If we do it more and more, what will happen? We don't get rains. When do we get rains? ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి? When condensation of water vapor takes place. If we cut off plants, if we cause deforestation, if we cause pollution, what will happen? Atmosphere will not be cool. When it is not cool, coolga lekapothe what will happen? No condensation takes place. Condensation jaragadu. When there is no condensation, no rain. So that's not the right thing. We should not cause deforestation. We should do reforestation. We should do reforestation, but not deforestation. Yes. We have to reforest it. Do we go for the? So it's bad. It causes famines. If there are no trees, no plants, what will happen? Weather temperature will increases. Global warming occurs. Then no rains. Then it results in famine. So we should not cause deforestation. Yes. Look at the picture. Here also, they cut off trees. What do we call it? Even Pilistamo, we call it deforestation. What will be the result of deforestation? Because of deforestation, what will happen? Global warming occurs. Temperature increases. Then no condensation, no rains. Yes. Look here. So what should we do? Em cheyali? We have to manage our water judiciously. But to manage it. Here you see, we should not waste water. In fields also, if we send water through canals, కాలువల ద్వారా పంపిస్తే earth takes it more. That way we waste water. So, if we send water to plants like this, through sprinklers, what will happen? We will be economizing water. పొదుపు చేసినట్లు అవుతుంది కదా. We should not be wasting. We will be economizing. This is the judicious use of water. Then more water will be available. Then more result we get from plants. So this is the right way of using water. So we have to do cultivation with sprinklers. That's the right way of water management. Yes. So what did you learn? ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాము? What should not we do? ఏం చేయకూడదు? How to save water? How to preserve water? వెళ్ళాడు. Now, first of all, not to waste water, we have to learn how to harvest rainwater. ఎలా harvest చేస్తాము? Yes. Look here, we go for a picture. Look here, rainwater. They're collecting rainwater from the place where it rains. Look here. This way we can conserve. There's the right way of water management. They're conserving water like this. We can use it later. Here they're collecting water from the place where it rains, no? From rooftops, from buildings. They're collecting. That's good. That's a good idea. We go for the next picture. See, how are they collecting rainwater? It's also a good idea. This is a kind of conservation of water, no? So here they're collecting water from the place where it rains, no? When it rains, what will happen? Rainwater flows. Then we can collect that rainflow, no? By digging ponds, pits with bunds. Chuttu bund petti by digging pits, we can collect that water. So we can collect rainwater from the place where it falls. Ikkade collect chesukochu. Lekapothe when the rainwater flows, then we collect it by digging ponds or tanks, చెరువులు తవ్వి. Our past kings like Sri Krishna Devaraya, Akbar, Shah Jahan, what they do? They dug tanks, చెరువులు తవ్వించారు. They collected water. When there are no rains, వర్షం లేనప్పుడు, we can use that tank water, we can use that pond water. That way we conserve water. Yes, that's the right way of water management. So water is a precious thing. We have to use it preciously, judiciously, rightly. Yes. Here see, they're collecting rainwater. So, what do you learn, Nikhil? We have to conserve water. What are the methods of water conservation? We should not dump waste into water. We should not pollute water. Then we should not use chemical fertilizers more. We have to control deforestation. We have to cultivate our fields through sprinklers. No? Then we will be economizing water, minimizing the wasting of water. Then how to conserve water? We have to harvest water, rainwater. We have to harvest rainwater. How can we harvest? From the place where it rains or by collecting rainflow. That way we can do it. So anyhow, water is a precious thing. I will learn, Nikhil, how to conserve water. If there are more rains, what will happen, Nikhil? Tell me. What will happen? Yes, you are correct. It causes floods. If there are less rains, what will happen? Yes, we get a famine. How do we get rains, Nikhil? Through condensation of water vapor. Through monsoons, no? Which monsoons give us rain, Nikhil? Which monsoons? Yes, southwest, northeast monsoons. No? These monsoons, these winds give us rain. Yes, Nikhil, you are correct. You are a good boy. Let's go through this topic. Yes. Thank you for listening.